going to fix this porch, the back porch of the house. The reason that we need to fix it is because this part of the porch is like higher than this part. And the reason is the grout between the stones has got lots of cracks, so the water penetrate and they lift these stones probably like half an inch, some section like 1 inch higher than this. So we needed to fix it. We need to fix it first. So we're removing the stone first. We soften the ground, the sand, and then we're going to apply sand in the same level to make sure that it's 100% leveled first. We're going to install the blue stones back, and we're going to apply a new grout. And the new grout will prevent from water to seep in and just to damage everything that's underneath. This is what happens when you've got the water that penetrate. It just lifts some space, some areas, and then it's not level. So this is probably a 2 days job, removing the stone, softening that, leveling, installing the stones back, and grouting between the stones. This is the first day. This is the result. We're going to take some photos, videos tomorrow to show you the final result. We're going to replace the columns of the porch, the 2 columns. Right now they have a circular columns. They don't like the style. They want like a modern style with like a square. So what we're going to do, we're going to like support the porch. We're going to support it first, and then we're going to remove it because this is the decorative piece. This is just, we have to remove it. It doesn't hold the porch. It doesn't have any support inside. This doesn't support anything. And we're going to install first real posts that will hold the weight of the porch, and then we're going to cover that with the square panels because that's what they want to have, a square panels. So the best way is to install a real post to hold the porch, and then 4 panels around the post. And then of course we're going to fill it up with the caulking, wood putty, and paint it. So these 2 columns will be the next stage after we're going to replace all the beams that got damaged, rotted from the water.